So, Kajal, are you ready for the topic?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Okay, go for it.
Respected sir and my dear friends, good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
My name is Kajal Gupta and today I have a wonderful opportunity to present my speech in front of you all. I hope you would like it. Here I go. And my topic is save water. So, first of all, why should we save water? Because water is the most important part of our life, and without water, we can't survive. And it is required for the humans, all humans, plants, animals, birds, for the surviving. And without water, we can't survive, as you all know. And I saw that many people waste the water. I think they haven't any idea about save water. So we should make people understand that we should save water and we shouldn't waste the water. And people are wasting water while brushing, bathing, and many household work. So we should save water because that time water is very important. If we don't save the water, so in upcoming time we will face a lot of problem like water scarcity problem. And as you all know, water scarcity problem is very big problem. There is no water, so there is no life. And the government has made many laws and schemes for the saving water. But and or they have also done many advertising, but it has not any effect for the humans. As you all know, nowadays the humans is very irresponsible, so they always waste the water. And suppose that if we don't eat 2 and 3 days, so we can survive. But if we don't drink 2 and 3 days, so we can't survive. So that's why water is very important. And dear friends, as you all know, our body is made up of 5 elements like water, wind, sky, and fire and soil. And among this, water is very, very important because 70% water is in the human body, 70% water, and 70%, 75% water is available on our earth, and out of which only 1% fresh water is available for drinking. So we should save water. And even each and every people save only 1 glass water, so it can become very big change for the for water save water. So we should save water. So now I'm going to tell you how can we save water. So, like a tips, so it is tips very useful, and you can if you can use these tips, so you can save water. So first, use less water, like using less water in household work, and wash all dirty clothes together. All dirty, all wash. No, sorry, all all clothes wash together. And if you want to take a shower, so please take a using a bucket in place of shower, because through the shower waste a lot of water. And if you want to take a shower, so please take a short shower, because we should save the water. And we should use every drop of water, because that time water is very important resource. And check before going to sleep, check all the tab and check all leakage in your home and living area also. And we should save water because that time water is very important. So I hope you can understand what I want to speak. And I know you must save water because you are a student, and your mind is very sharp. So we should save water.